Thought I'd do a video walking back through, go see a friend. But here's some random sizes. They look to be about an inch thick. And we have some thinner stuff. Well, maybe it's about, yeah, it looks a little thinner. But look at the cool colors. Just really nice. Look at that. Very cool. So they load trucks going all over. There's some more. Appears to be a natural cleft. Probably about an inch and a half. Well, here we have some thicker random sizes. Going kind of fast here, but here we have some what they call seconds. This is what I've been buying. So you have all different color patterns. Just really nice. See lots of it. There's some inch stuff back in the back there. This is inch and a half. Here we have some random thick stuff, all natural. Here we have some tumble. And breaks down the edges. More tumble. This is 2 inch, probably inch there. So just lots of variety. There's some paver type of stuff. This looks more like granite to me. It might be. Really cool. Okay, so a whole variety.